Hi, it's LHarris, Certified Luxury Home Marketing Specialist with RE/MAX Center, and we're at our newest listing in beautiful Grandview Estates. This magnificent home was actually featured on the cover of Romantic Homes magazine. The sellers have moved, and this home truly is move-in ready. It was built for entertaining. So if you know anyone who's looking for a beautiful home, move-in ready for a fast closing, you've got to come check it out. We recently reduced the price. We're having an open house this weekend, and I would love to give you a grand tour of this beautiful property. You know, Grandview Estates is in Flowery Ranch, just minutes to the Falcons Complex, Lake Lanier, and oh my gosh, this is a beautiful swim and tennis community where all the lots are oversized. When you pull into the subdivision, you actually have the most magnificent views of the mountains here. So come check it out. We'd love to see you at the open house. In the meantime, if you have any questions at all, give us a call. We'll see you soon in Flowery Branch, Georgia.